The Madhya Pradesh Congress has started a talent hunt to find new party spokespersons. Interested people can apply till 28th February. PCC Chief Jitu Patwari announced this at a press conference. Senior leaders like Umang Singhar were also present. The party has invited journalists and media professionals to join Congress and presents its ideology strongly. Patwari said the party wants talented and confident people who can speak effectively on public issues. The selected candidates will represent Congress in media debates and public discussions. The program aims to strengthen the party's communication strategy in the state. Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav said Madhya Pradesh is moving fast towards digital governance. The state has started cyber registration for more than 75 services, including loans, power of attorney, mining lease, and partnership deeds. This paperless and cashless system will reduce paperwork and improve transparency. The CM launched the Cyber Registration Office in Bhopal. He said now even government property transfer documents will be completed digitally. People will not need to visit registration offices for housing board transfers. The government says this digital system will protect the environment and make processes faster, easier, and more transparent. The Madhya Pradesh Assembly budget session began with heavy uproar on Monday. The session started with the full singing of Vande Mataram. After that, Governor Mangubhai Patel delivered his address. During the speech, opposition members created a disturbance inside the house. Due to continuous protests and slogans, the proceedings were adjourned till the next day. The budget session is expected to be heated as opposition leaders are raising several issues against the government. Important financial discussion and policy announcements are expected during this session in the coming days. In Bhopal, fraudster tried to cheat people using a fake social media account of IS officer Sanskriti Jain. She is the commissioner of Bhopal Municipal Corporation. Messages asking for money were sent to an assistant engineer. This is the second such attempt in the last 4 months. Earlier on 7th November 2025, a similar fake account was created in her name. The commissioner has alerted people to stay careful and not send money. Police are investigating the case. Officials have warned citizens to verify accounts before responding to financial requests online. The Madhya Pradesh Legislative Assembly will see the state government present its third supplementary budget. The Mohan Yadav government plans to take 4 new loans worth Rs 5,600 crore from the market. After this, the total loan taken in the current financial year may reach 72,900 crore, the highest ever. In the last 10.5 months, the government has taken 40 loans. The opposition is likely to question the rising debt. The government says loans are needed for development projects and welfare schemes in the state. On Mahashivratri, special rituals were held at Sri Mahakaleshwar Temple in Ujjain. After 4 rounds of worship, Lord Mahakal was offered a decorative sera. A special afternoon Bhasma Aarti was also performed, which happens only once a year. At noon, priests perform Abhishek with water and Panchamrit made of milk, curd, ghee, sugar and fruit juices. After chanting mantras, the Jyotirlinga was decorated with sandalwoods and sacred ash. Thousands of devotees gathered to witness the rare ritual on the holy occasion of Mahashivratri. The important hearing in the Bhojshala case of Dhar was postponed on Monday. The matter will now be heard on 18th February. The hearing could not take place due to a lawyer's strike. The Bhojshala site is under the Archaeological Survey of India and has been a sensitive issue for many years. Advocate Shirish Dubey said the strike affected court work. The case is being heard in the Indore bench of the High Court. All sides are waiting for the next hearing, which is expected to be significant. 2 school students drowned in a dam in Ratlam on Monday evening around 4 p.m. They had gone for a picnic with 8 friends. The incident happened at Shri Ram Dam in Palsodi village. Police, fire brigade and divers reached the spot after receiving information. Rescue teams searched for the missing student till late evening. The operation was stopped due to darkness and will resume on Tuesday morning. According to locals, the dam is about 50 feet deep. Authorities have advised people to stay careful near deep water bodies. Due to western disturbance, rain is expected in parts of Madhya Pradesh. The weather department has issued an alert for 18th and 19th February in districts like Gwalior, Morena, Bhind, Datia, Shivpuri and Neemuch. Light rain may also affect Ujjain division. Bhopal and Indore may see cloudy skies. The sudden weather change could affect crop and daily life. Farmers have been advised to take precautions. Officials are monitoring the situation closely. Residents are advised to stay updated with local weather report during the next 2 days.